Today we're going to talk about the new series of action rakes, one of the new series I should say. This is the 2200 series. Our last version was our 2100 series, and we have some really nice changes to the new series. So you can kind of see behind me some of the things if you're familiar at all with the old action rake. Some of the things that we've done have gone away and put a little turnbuckle system in here, which is really nice if you need to move out your beam on here. The old ones, you had to put the jack on. It got to be a little bit of a hassle, but this is really a nice feature on this series of rake. It is an option on this rake for this, but again, most guys are looking at putting this on. It's a very inexpensive option. The other nice thing about it is I can adjust my down pressure, my rake wheel down pressure on this rake so much easier than the old ones. I'm able to actually just loosen this nut right here and then turn the nut, the other nut that's on here, and actually by screwing it out, I put more down pressure on the rake wheels. Taking it in, obviously, lightens it up, just the reverse of it. So again, really you have that on each side. Really nice, easy feature. The other item that's an option now on this rake is the one-sided raking valves. You can see you've got one here and one on the other side. So if I want to go out and just rake a one-sided with it and just pull in something that's been pounded down by the rain, I just want to roll it out of there, I can actually lock one side up in the air, put the other side down, and roll it out and let it dry. So again, just some nice features that this new model of rake has on it. This is the new H&S 3200 series rake. Replaces the 3100 series. Again, some nice changes that we made to this rake. I just explained to you about the changes that were on the 2200 series. This one has a lot of the same features that I just showed you. But the nice thing about this rake is it has independent rake wheel suspension. So not having like some of the competitors out there that have the two wheels into one pivot point, this one is much like the big rakes where all you have on here is just one rake wheel or independent rake wheel suspension on it. So that also can be adjusted like I showed you on the other one by loosening the nut, turning this in or out for more or less pressure. If you still need to go either way, if you can't get enough pressure by adjusting that nut, you can actually take on these and you can adjust your jam nuts on here and lighten it up or make it heavier yet. So, it has a lot of nice, easy features to it.